Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. Now they have a promotion for you that is buy the 15 kilowatt hour which build with the EVE 280 amp hour, the cost only. And they have MOQ 3 sets. Okay, now you will ask what is the details of battery? There you can choose the vertical type and the stock type with the PACE BMS, the JK BMS, all available. It depends on your need and the cost is the same. Those are the testing reports from our company. We can offer a CE test report, IEC62619 certificate for you, and also with the MSDS UN38 and the C report. Also, each of battery is packed with the wooden case and can be delivery very safety during the transportation. So if you come from the California, USA, and the postal code from the 90293, contact with us freely to get the latest promotion. And thank you for you guys watching. See you next video. Bye bye.